everyone, I'm Hannah, the museum educator here at the Transcona Museum. Welcome to the first day of Craft With Us Music Week. Today we will be making a pan flute out of straws. I hope you could hear that. Alright, so for this craft, you're going to need 8 straws. They can be just like regular straws or the wider smoothie type straws. You're going to need glue. I'm going to be using hot glue today just so it dries faster, but regular glue works fine as well. Make sure if you're using hot glue that you have an adult supervision. And then you're just going to need scissors and a ruler. Alright, so the first thing we have to do for this craft is cut each of the 8 straws into a specific length so that you end up getting this kind of each straw having a different length from longest to shortest. And that's how you get the different notes on a pan flute. Alright, so for your first straw, you are going to, I'm just going to angle the camera downwards. For the first straw, you are going to cut it to be 6.8 inches. So you're going to take your ruler, starting from 0, and measure out 6.8 inches. Alright. Do the best cut you can. It's okay if it's not perfect. Alright. So here we have our first straw cut, and it'll be our longest straw cut to 6.8 inches. So now on to our next straw. Is going to be 6.1 inches. So laying against our ruler, measuring 6.1, cutting at that point. All right, so here we have our first 2 straws. Our next straw will be 5.3 inches, so measure out 5.3 inches. All right, there's our third straw. Fourth straw will be 4.9 inches. Also, once you start getting to the shorter straws, try to measure the end that doesn't have the stretchy thing, so that, or the bendy part, I guess, so you can cut that part off. For the longer straws, you're gonna have to keep them on just because we're cutting off so little of the straw, but that's okay. It'll still work just as well. Okay. Then for our 5th straw, that is going to be 4.3 inches, so we'll measure that. Okay. Next one will be 3.9 inches. I guess it's kind of funny that we're I'm working in inches here, but I got the instructions from an American website, I guess, but that's fine. Most rulers have inches and centimeters. But it's important you get the right length so that each straw ends up being a different note. Okay, so then for our 7th straw, it'll be measured to 3.5 inches. Just gonna cut that one a bit shorter because it seems too close to the other size. Yes. There we go. All right, and our last straw will be measured to 3.3 inches. All right, so here I have laid out the, oops, got mixed up. Here I have the straws laid out from shortest to longest, longest to shortest, not a big deal. You're just going to be gluing one side so then you can flip it and it'll be longest to shortest. So as you can see, it's on an angle, so that means you have it right laid out, or laid out properly. Okay, so actually, if we're going into the specifics of the notes, since it is Music Week, the longest will be Do, and then going down from there to the shortest, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So I'm sure you've all heard that before, so those are the kind of sounds of the notes that you're going to get. All right, so once you have them laid out properly, you're going to take your glue and glue the back and in between of the straws so that they stay together. You could also use tape if you don't have glue, that would work fine as well. So a pan flute would be considered a wind instrument because you use your breath to make the noise. So something else that's considered a pipe instrument is a bagpipe or bagpipes. And Transcona has quite a long history of pipe bands. So, some of the pipe bands that have existed and still exist today are the Transcona Shops pipe bands. So CN workers banded together, or CN shop workers on Pandora banded together to form a pipe band. There's the Transcona Junior pipe band, the Transcona District pipe band. There was a ton of different pipe bands, and there still is today with, the Legion and cadets and stuff like that. The Transcona Shops pipe band was actually quite successful. They were together, I guess, for about 40 years, close to 40 years, and they won something like 20 different trophies, plaques, medals. They performed all over Manitoba. They performed even all over Canada. They were a part of the many different celebrations that occurred in Transcona, like the Silver Jubilee or the Decoration Day and Remembrance Day parades, when the King and Queen came in the or came through Transcona in the 1930s. They got to lead the parade they had, so they were quite successful. All right, so I put a lot of glue on the back to make sure that they stick together. I'm just gonna remove some of the stringy bits. But once you let that dry, you should have this. So as you can see, they're all different lengths because I have them lined up at the top. And you should be able to I don't know if you can hear that. It's pretty quiet. If you have larger straws, it might be a bit louder. But I'm just gonna point the camera towards me. But here you have your pan flute made out of straws. So you can play each note individually, play them all together, have fun with it, and maybe even like learn some of your notes. Like I said, each one is like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this first Music Week craft, and I hope you enjoyed learning about some of the history of pipe bands in Transcona as well. On Friday, we will be making a toilet paper roll shaker or maraca for our last day of Music Week. And we just announced today that next week is STEM week. So science, technology, engineering, math. So we'll be making chromatography butterflies. Stay tuned for that one. That's a really cool craft, especially if you don't really know what chromatography is. We'll be learning all about that on Monday of next week. And on Wednesday of next week, we will be making a DIY bouncy ball. And on Friday of next week, we'll be making a snowstorm in a jar. So lots of fun things coming up. So stay tuned and join along with us. We also have in-person crafting available now, so you can register for that on our website if you want to come and do these crafts in person with me and some others. Yeah, so thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.